Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Now, either way, if you're currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead, hit the subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. How about that? Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the bell and become a part of the notification squad. That way, you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Well, our video on today is the Allure box unboxing. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. We're not gonna be before you long, but we are going to go ahead and jump right in. Okay, and so as we open up the box, it says hashtag Allure Beauty Box, and I must say I do love the way that it is packaged. Now, I really do like these little bags. I really do. These fit very well in my purse. I like this size versus the first one that we got. So, let's go ahead and pop it open. And as I do so, for those of you who are not familiar with the Allure box, bag, package, subscription service, okay? It is $15 per month. However, they always have fantastic specials going on where you can join at a discount, okay? So, go ahead and take a look at it. I'll leave the link below. Check out Allure, become a part of the Allure family. So, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Of course, with it comes a description pamphlet, okay, and it also lets you know to refer a friend. However, this month is called Stronger Together. How appropriate for this season. Stronger Together, okay. Oh, the first thing to come out, okay, is by Wander Beauty. Ironically enough, that's what's on the first page, okay? The packaging is gorgeous, gold. Now, my husband got a kick out of the name of this. This is called the Mile High Club Mascara, okay? And this is actually a full size. This one says, I have a mascara in every purse. How about that? Okay. And she says, multiple at my desk and more than 4 on my vanity at any given time. Okay. So, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this is $26. Okay, and it says there's a promo code where you can use this when you go to wanderbeauty.com to purchase it. Now, I don't know if you can really see. How about that right there? Okay, so you can get a full glimpse of what the packaging is like. Okay, very sleek, very beautiful. Moving right along. The next item that I pulled out, okay, this is Cotton's Editor's Pick, okay, the Brow Gal, and she is the Senior Beauty Features Editor. That's what her position is. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this is $22, and you can go to thebrowgal.com, and they've also given us a 10% off promo code. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with this particular product, I have one that's open somewhere. It's a tinted brow gel with microfibers, and it kind of gives you that fuller brow look, you know, as well as sets the brow, okay, in place. I love this product. I do have one, and this one says the Instant Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers, and this is brown hair number 2. Okay, then let's see what the next item is that we pull out. It's by Modell Company, and this is the Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. They're beautiful colors. This is the packaging that it comes in, and these are gorgeous. Here you go. Each of the powdered eyeshadows in this trio, burgundy, pinky champagne brown. And it says it creates a sheer wash of glimmering color, which makes them perfect everyday shimmers. The brown just so happens to be a great nude for my lids, and she is a woman of color. So I can see how that brown would look that way. And they are really, really pretty. And this is what they look like swatched. Okay. I do like these, by the way. Definitely like them. Alrighty, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this product is $15, and you can buy it at modellco.com. Alright, and if you go there, you can also use a code given by Allure to get 30% off of your order. That's pretty good. That you don't hear very often. Okay, the next product that we have is a Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. And yes, the bottle is actually a very pale pink color. Now, Modell Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. That's this product right here, and yes, the bottle is this pale pink shade, so it is not being washed out. And it says my face never feels cleaner without any tightness than after I double cleanse, a popular K-beauty technique that involves using 2 face washes. Modell's formula condenses the process into just 1 step. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item, of course in a full size, is $21, and it can be purchased at usmodemode.com, and there is also a code to get 30% off as well. Okay, we're going back to the package. Let's see what the next item. Okay, so I can never have too many brushes. And this one is a brush. This one is the Modell Metallics. Gorgeous brush. And this is one of the things I can appreciate about Modell brushes, is it's always textured right here. So your chances of it slipping and sliding, pretty slim. Okay, and this one says this soft, precise shading brush is the holy grail of eyeshadow brushes. It does so many different things really well. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this brush is $4.99. You can purchase this at modebrush.com, and there is a 20% off coupon code here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and spray some alcohol on this brush and let it dry, and then we're going to come back and use the shadows that we have. I'm going to take this brown shadow right here. Okay, how about that? And I did use 2 of the shades. I used this one and this one. Not bad, huh? I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, moving right along. Our next item is this lovely lipstick, and this is Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick. This liquid lipstick by makeup artist Mally Rocal is rich and creamy and glossy. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $21. Guess where this can be purchased? QVC.com. Beautiful. The next item we have is also by Mamonde, and it is the Mamonde Flower Lab Essence Mask. It says using one of these K-Beauty sheet masks makes my skin feel like I've just poured an entire bottle of serum on my face. They're super hydrating. Okay, we're gonna have to try this out. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $7. And this is actually called Narcissus. Okay. The last item that we have in here is actually a $25 gift card. And this says, shop everyday dainty jewelry essentials. $25 gift. They've given us a code so that we could use it at checkout at Georgiana. Nice. Okay. That is the contents of, these are the contents of our Allure subscription box. I love this black bag. I really do. It's lightweight. It's not flimsy, but it is nice. I do hope that you enjoyed this video on today. If you did, by all means, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Become a part of the Allure subscription service. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.